We'll guide you through how to set up your Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're yet to go and purchase your Switch, then we'll go and put a link down below to Amazon. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel at no extra cost. So first of all, get your Nintendo Switch screen and then the two Joy-Cons, just like that. And so just to show you the screen, the bottom of the screen is going to be where the charger is. And then also if we then go onto the back, what you're going to go and see is this piece, and this will open up. So if you've got an SD card, you can go and put it in there, micro SD. And then if we go onto the top, we do it this way. Then over here, you've got the power button, the volume controls will then come over. You then got a headphone jack and also the game card slot. So that's where you can put your game cards. So now let's go and fire this up. But first of all, let's go and connect the Joy-Cons. So you're going to know which ways these go because the red sort of orange one goes on the right. And you'll know that because it's got the sort of buttons on the top. So to go and connect this, then all you got to do is sort of line it up. You're going to go and see there's like a groove down here and there's a groove on this. So then all you need to do is put it at the top and slide it down like so, and you'll hear that click. It's super straightforward. And then you can go and do the same on this side as well. So now if we go onto the top, we can then go and press on the power button, just go and hold it down for a couple seconds. And as you can see, we can now go and see it starting. You'll go and see the Nintendo Switch loading screen, and now we can go and choose our language. So in this case, I'm English, but to go and change it, you can go and use this left Joy-Con here. You can also go and use the right one as well, but I tend to use the left one. And then you can go and select it by using A. There we go, I've now selected it. And then what you can do is go and choose your region. So in this case, we're gonna move down with the joystick. I'm in Europe, so I'll select that. Then what you can do is go and check out the important information and go and read it through. And then to go back, all you need to do is press B like that. And then you can go down, once again using the joysticks, and press next using A. So now it's searching for networks. So this is basically Wi-Fi. And then what you can do is choose the network you wish to go and join. Once you see it, then click on it with A. And then you'll need to go and enter the password. After you've entered your password, it's then going to go and check your connection, as you can see. And also, I didn't say earlier, but you can actually use touchscreen as well. For example, I'll go and click OK, like so. Anyways, go and choose your time zone. And then what you can do is go and connect it to the TV. Personally, I'm not going to do that right now. I'll go and do it later on, and I'll have a full guide on that. So I'm going to select later there. Now what we can do is it says we can go and detach the Joy-Con controllers. So to go and do that, you need to go and hold the release buttons, and they are this one here on the right. And then we've also got one on the left. So let me go and just show you how that works. Hold it down and then just slide it up just like so, and it'll go and disconnect. And then we can do the same for this side as well. We can then go and click on next just like so. And here it's saying about using the Joy-Con controllers and also using the stand. So the stand is this bit here, which has got the SD card in. So all you can do is just go and open this up like so. And then you can just go and prop it up. Super straightforward. Now we need to go and set up our user. So let's go and click next. And I'm going to go and create a new one. You can go and import one if you've had a console before. So choose your icon. I'll just go for this one here. And then you can go and enter your nickname. And then what we can do is go and sign in and link a Nintendo account. So you can press sign in and link like so. You can also just go and do it later as well though. Before we can do that though, I will need to do a system update. So I'll go and do that at a later point. You can also go and add other users if you've got multiple people who go and use your Switch as well. You can then see some information about Nintendo Switch Online. I'll just press next for now. You can also go and set up parental controls if you wish. I'll press skip for now though, and that's it. Setup is now complete. So then what you can do is go and click on the home button on the Joy-Con here. So along here is where you're going to go and see the games appear. And then at the bottom, you've also got the row of options. You've got the Switch Online, news, the Nintendo eShop, and then you've got albums, controllers, settings, and also sleep mode. And so that's it guys, that is how you can go and set it up. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.